Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Python for Data Science, we are going to understand about Python programming language. We will have an overview of what is Python, why do we need to learn Python in comparison with other programming languages, what are the applications of Python, and finally, what is the role of Python in data science? Let us begin with understanding what is Python. Python is a programming language created by Guido van Rossum and released in the year 1991. Python is defined as an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic typing ability. The name Python comes from Monty Python. When Guido van Rossum was creating Python, he was also reading the scripts from BBC's Monty Python's Flying Circus. He thought the name Python was appropriately short and slightly mysterious. Now, the question is, why do we need to learn Python? What makes Python different from other programming languages? Python is beginner friendly, free, and works on any operating system. It's portable with a supportive community and scalability for projects of any size. As an interpreted language, it's easy to spot errors, integrates well with other tools, and uses simple language with dynamic typing for efficiency. The most important feature of Python is Python's ecosystem offers libraries and frameworks for natural language processing, machine learning, etc., which are crucial for building generative AI systems. These tools provide the necessary building blocks and algorithms for training models that can generate new and creative content. Let's understand the applications of Python, which finds its uses in various domains. Python has its applications for building websites, creating software, analyzing data, training machines to learn, handling complex statistics, harnessing the power of cloud, tackling scientific problems with math, so on and so forth. Finally, let's explore the role of Python within the field of data science. Python is widely favored in data science due to its versatility, ease of use, and rich ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for tasks like data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Its simplicity allows for rapid prototyping and experimentation, while its extensive libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, etc., provide powerful tools for data manipulation and machine learning. Additionally, Python's interoperability with other languages and frameworks, as well as its strong community support, make it an ideal choice for data scientists seeking efficient and effective solutions to complex problems. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.